Good morning. Good morning, people. How you guys doing? It's a blessed morning, you know? Well, today, I'm there on one look, I change my community. Not really change, I get some look work. So I have to leave from there. Nothing not to go on St. Thomas now. Well, I'm in the parish of St. Andrew. Yo! I'm in the parish of St. Andrew, Jamaica, you know? Yeah. Me and the great Jamaica Vibes TV 876. Jamaica Vibes TV 876. Want to go over there supporting channel, guys. It's a really hard working youth. You having family same way. Yes, no man. Yeah, today I some machete work, me do, guys. I start already still, but I'm gonna show you what I go on. What's happening? See it, peeps. Start chop from over there. Coming under here. Coming up this side. I'm gonna clear up this and come around. Come around. Here's the coffee tree, people. Yeah, coffee farm this. We are working with some people, you know. A young coffee bean on the tree. Yeah. So we have to chop out it. Yes, no man. Yes, no man. Stay tuned, man. Look how I go on. Yes, my people. Tune in, you know. Man can use your machete good, man.
Yes, no man.
Yes, people. A Jamaica Vibes TV 876, that you know, man.
And a pretty boy thing.
We have to do it, man. So, people, I want to run go over on channel, watch the full video, them. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, you know.
Yeah, my peep.
Yes, no, man.
Honest visit.
Yes, no, man.
Yes, no man.
We have to out here the right way for everyone, you know, guys. Yes, no, man. My skill for him machete do peeps. Drop it in the comment section, man. You know, have to go check out his channel. He have some epic video forward.
Holy patting, you know?
Yes, no, man.
Yeah, man, about 4 years we are chopped down, you know?
Yeah.
So just go and do it, my peeps.
See farm, coffee farm, the guys. Clean them up, go up, you know. Yes, no, man. We have fruits on here, see them, man. Yes, my people. Jamaica Vibes TV 876. Gone to some water now. So I just want to do some work. Yeah, we find some cocoa along the way, guys. We are going to boil some soup and put them Jamaican cocoa. So I want to give a shout out to Hard Purpose. channel. Guys, want to go over there, go subscribe, like, and comment. She'll have some awesome video coming up as well. Yeah, stay tuned for that. And I want you guys go over Jamaican Vibes Adventure channel as well. Yeah, and do some great spearfishing, bird hunting, some happy content over there, guys. Thanks. Yes, people, still do the cleaning up. Stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And go over to All Purpose. She have some nice content over there, guys. Yeah. I'll boss spearfishing, big up yourself. Yes, I'm on J Body Baker. Respect your support, brother. I believe in it. Thanks a lot. Yeah, slippery, guys. Yeah, man. I just go on. Where put food see you know. We now go out there, go chop nobody one. The only thing we might do a big subscribe on it. You know? So you have to beg it for you want to reach one point in a feet. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I beg you to like, comment, and subscribe, you know? Vibes 39. They here. Man, Jamaica Vibes 876. I do some work. Big up yourself, I'll boss. We start early. Yes, people. Now Jamaica vibes. 876 TV out here, you know. Gotta do some work. Yeah, that's it, people. Stay tuned. Yes, man. Yeah, they found coffee farm in a St. Andrew area, you know. Yes, man. People want to show them something for one tree in a chocolate. Yeah, I'm go for one with the audience. You know what is this, guys? This is a Jamaican chocolate. I cut it or burst it. You see the fruit inside. So these guys, you can put for dry, parch, and get it in our thing that they call mortar bucket and one stick. And beat it like this when you parch it. When you parch, and warm and roll it up in a small ball and put it in the fridge to cool. And I drop one of them in a tea a morning time with some Betty milk or any milk you have can use. But it can eat now still, guys. You're not going to eat it, you're just going to get the white texture off of it. Nice, people. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. So Jamaica vibes. 876 TV down there, so I heard there. Yes, no man. And I want to give a lot of shout out to All Purpose channel. And I want to go over our channel to support. I left a link in the description so you guys can check out our channel. And also Jamaica Vibes TV 876 channel, guys. And big up to Godfrey Osborne, DJ Wicked Vlog, Isle Boss Spearfishing, Karen Yard Style. You know the thing, bro, Hammer Road. Yes, no man. And we're up on coffee farm here, guys. Put in some work, we are clean up the place, guys. Yes, no man. So Jamaica Vibes TV 876 down there, so I do some good work. Yes, no man. Can use it, machete enough people. Take time, you know, boy. Take time swing that machete, you know. Yes, no man. Yes, some people. Look what we find in the bush today, guys. We are working, we find a bunch of green banana. Stay tuned. Look what's next. We have fruits, guys. Banana. Right, banana, we call this tinking tour in Jamaica. But in your country, I don't know the real name, so leave it in the comment section what it name in your country. So we have ripe banana, lime, and here is Jamaica vibes.
Yeah, my peep.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, my peep.
Yes, no man.
No, there I mean, always at eating, no, mango, banana, you know.
Today is a fruit morning.
This is a way. Me alone have to do and eat off.
Yeah.
You see, I got one. That's your one skin, so I so. That's our next one, my peeps.
Fresh fruits, nice, guys.
Banana.
And no fertility is not
Monkey
on it, you know,
season.
guys. Original ripe banana.
Come on.
So my one year, I will get in a for me, you know.
You know, we always get my people, you know?
Yes, no man. Hills and valleys same way. Mango tree are big people.
That's okay. Yeah, my people. Your boy Vibe 39 TV. Been there. My dig what we call. Bomba, my people. Yeah, know my people. Yeah, know my people. Up on the side, cocoa, them, my people. 2 pound and 2.5 pound cocoa, them, you know, my people.
Cocoa tree, you know, people.
Purple cocoa, no. Look.
Yes, man. The owner say we are work on the farm so we can eat cocoa if we want, you know?
Yeah, you don't know, say. We're there.
Yeah.
You know, so years me I go through and see it do and never think of digging it.
Yeah, man, more food to home, you know, people? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, nice in a soup, you know, it's not yam, it's cocoa. The last video I put up, reaping some potato video and cocoa, I see a person comment, says yam, but it's cocoa, guys. Yam grown a vine.
See much here first.
Yeah. Yes, big up the video personality because I camera, you know?
Yeah, man.
Jamaica Vibes Adventure.
Yeah, my peeps. Yeah, man, you know it's a boy Jamaica Vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they are with the gentleman cocoa scheme there.
Yes, no, man. Yes, people. Nice food out of one. Reap.
Taste it. Right now, you look like say, we got at least one.
7 pound, 8 pound.
8 vibes that one. Vibes that one 15 pound no gun vibes. You catch me vibes.
Manual.
You have black something there, my people?
Manual.
Yeah, man, manure, man. You know, mess.
Yeah, foul mess.
Chicken mess.
Yeah,
Oh,
in Jamaica we say foul. Jonah lifestyle.
Man, people.
You up yourself, family.
Right there.
You come next one, man.
See, a whole part them there, so like a head. 3 of them, take it around the fan there, so yeah. Something down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, a lot.
More still living in a peeps, that's one.
And I wander along something there too. They come up.
Oh, then one of young guys.
Wander that no young. See foundation there, so.
Well, I can't get no more people. Yes, people can plant it back same time, you know.
Yeah, because we don't waste nothing in our farm, you know.
So we reap, so we plant.
And a few farm, but that's how we deal with it.
Dig you all of your planting?
Can I put it back there? Eh?
Another back?
I don't know. You can go and stay till one day. Make
Show people and say we don't plant it.
make it drain.
Make it good when it drain first.
Yeah. Them people are gonna make it drain and plant it back. Yeah man. Down in the last year I plant them you know. We work still on a few farm, you know. Coffee beans coming up on the tree. Yeah, the people.
Load up, you know.